So
Okay.
scenario it means you are asking for a created table, or are you asking some kind of real-time use cases
Mhm.
to mention?
Okay. So this is the question, I think, right? No, not this one. Oh, this is hands-on. No, this is assignment. Yeah. Oh, this is the question. Okay, I think you are talking about the last one. This two, right?
Yeah, 9 and
Ah,
10.
okay. So here what I'm telling, create a scenario where the output of union and union all would be same. So what you have to do, you have to create a table and you have to insert data, but data should be of such a type that if I will run union or union all, they both will give me the same result. So you have to create a table and you have to insert some data in such a way that the output of union and union all should be same. Similarly, question number 10, you have to create a table, you have to insert data such that the output of union and intersect would be same. So obviously you have to create two tables here. Okay.
Hmm.
Is
So
that clear?
yeah, for this first case, we have to create two table, and where we will enter a distinct value in both the table.
I'm not commenting on that. Your wish, how you are going to create that and what type of data you are inserting. So practice that, try that. Okay. And then we will discuss on the solution part, whether it will be distinct, duplicate, or whatever it may be. Okay. Try it and then we will discuss on top of that. Is that fine? You understood?
Yeah, yeah. So yeah,
Column statement is clear?
yeah.
Okay, fine. So I'm not going to discuss this today because I think we can discuss this tomorrow. Okay. So you all, because I have not received, only one or two I have shared their, what I can say, that assignment solution. So others, please work on that. And then tomorrow we'll discuss on this. Okay. So meanwhile, any question on any of the top, any doubt, any clarification on any of the questions on the assignment? Anyone else? Okay, no. Then you please work on this. These are very interesting questions. Okay. Generally, students, they get confused between minus, union, union all, and intersect. Okay, that's what I have given this question from different perspective, so that you should have good understanding of these concepts. And especially in interviews, you will get questions from this. Okay, fine. So uh, these are the topics which we have discussed, topics covered. Okay, these are the topics which we have covered. Now you guys have to try, practice all those things, but these topics will be repeated whenever, suppose if I'm trying, I will teach you now in between, then in between again this will come. Okay, it is not like this is covered, so this will not come again and again. So this will come down the line. We will discuss joins again, this will come, rank and rank, this will come. Okay, so this is a table, the student which I have created, and there's a few set of records which I have inserted. Let me show you this. Student. My screen is visible, no?
Yeah, Tanvir.
Okay, perfect. So this is the table I have created, and this is the data in front of you. Okay. Now, suppose if I will ask you that, okay, tell me in this student table, fetch me the detail of student A only. Okay, so what should be the query? Come on, guys, quickly. I know this is very simple.
Where student is
Where name is equal to
equal to A.
A, right? Okay. You got all the information of a student A, right? Similarly, if I will ask you that, okay, tell me the details of a student who has scored, who has scored 20 marks. So what you will write? Where marks is equal to 20.
20.
So do I need to keep this 20 in quotes or without quote?
Without quote.
Okay, I'm keeping this in without quote. You got this output. Now let me keep this in quotes. You got the output. So what you understood from this?
Interpret both the things same way.
Yeah, number data type you can keep that in quotes, or you can, if you don't want to keep in quotes, you can keep it without quotes. They both are one and the same. Okay. But what about this character? Let me remove this quotes from here. Let me run this again. Invalid identifier. Okay. So what you understood? You have to keep this character in quotes. This is mandatory. I hope this is clear.
Yeah.
But I will suggest you to make it a habit to keep quotes within quotes everything. Okay, that will on safer side. Perfect. Now, suppose my question is, fetch me the student details who has scored marks between 20 and 20 and 30. So what I will write, marks greater than equal to 20. Okay. Suppose if I will execute this only, marks greater than equal to 20. So what should be the output, guys?
30.
Only the one who has scored equal to 20 or greater than 20, right? So
Yeah.
here, who has scored equal to 20? He has scored equal to 20. He has scored greater than 20. He has scored greater than 20. He has scored equal to 20. He has scored greater than 30, right? So if I will execute this query, this all should be the output, right? Let me check it. You can see these all are the outputs: 20, 30, 30, 20, 30. So this operator means greater than or equal to 20. Suppose if I will remove equal to, so what will be the output, guys, in this way? 20 will be included or not? Come on, guys. This question is for everyone. 20 will be included or not? 20 will not be included because I have mentioned here I want just greater than 20, right? So here 20 will not be included. See, you are getting only 30 output. 20 is not there. Hope this is clear. Hello, I'm audible. Hello, I'm audible, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. So similarly, if I will keep this one less than 20, so what should be the output here? Less than 20 means what? What all outputs will come? Who will tell me? Less than 20. Come on, guys, tell me. What are the outputs less than 20 here?
10, 15.
10, 15,
15,
5,
5.
15, 10, 30 will be there.
No.
No, this is not less than 20. So this will not come into picture. Then here 15 and then 20. And then 10. We run this. Okay, so you can see all the values are less than 20. But suppose the requirement is that no, I want 20 as well, less than 20 and 20 as well. So what I have to do? I want
Equal
20
to.
or less than 20. Yeah, I have to add one more operator here, equals to. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is the one. Less than equal to 20, you have to add. Is it clear? You got 20 is also there, and less than 20, all the values are here. Okay. Any question, guys? Now, suppose the requirement here is that, okay, fine, you have shown me all the records, which is less than 20, less than equal to 20. But here I want the only those records where the student has scored between 15 and 20 only. I don't want 10 and all those things. I want only between 15 and 20. So for that, what you can do, you want the values which are greater than equal to 15. Okay. And sorry, or marks less than equal to 20. So if I will execute this, you will get all the marks where the student has scored greater than equal to 15 or less than equal to 20. Let me show you this. So it's running, I think network is down. What has happened? Network is put down. This is taking time to run. Oh, no, this is not executed. Marks greater than equal to, oh, sorry. Oh, and condition will come into picture, yeah. See, all the marks are greater than 15 and less than 20. Hope this is clear. Any question here? Okay. Instead of you see, I have given and here. If I will keep or, so what will happen to the output? What should be the output if I will keep or here? What's the meaning of this query? First of all, tell me. What's the meaning of this query? Who will explain?
This will display all the marks, including 15 and 20 and between 15 and 20.
But I'm asking what's the difference between this query and this query, because you can see in this query I have used AND operator and here I have used OR operator. So what will be the difference in the output? So this one we have seen, we got the student details who has scored marks greater than equal to 15 and less than equal to 20. From this we have seen, okay. But if I will keep this OR operator, so what will happen? What's the meaning of this? Yeah, someone was telling something.
It will be same output.
Same output. Okay. Let me show you this. What is output here? Okay, this is the output on your screen. Now tell me what has happened here. You have mentioned in this query that marks greater than 15. Okay, so 10 is not greater than 15. Then how you got 10 here?
Actually, it is following the second condition.
Correct. This is falling under the second condition. Marks is less than equal to 20. So 10 is less than equal to 20. And here you have used the OR operator. So OR operator means, so whichever condition is getting fulfilled, fetch me those records. So in OR operator, if the left condition is getting fulfilled, that will give you those records. If the right condition is getting fulfilled, you will get those records. Okay. So here marks you have mentioned less than equal to 20. So that is why this is OR operator. 10 comes under less than 20, and that is why you are getting this output. But in the previous query, this query you have mentioned and. So and means both the conditions must be satisfied, then only you will get the output. Okay. So when I will execute this one, you will not get 10 as an output. Why? Because the marks 10 is less than equal to 20. That is correct, but that is not greater than equal to 15. So that is what when I will execute this query, so 10 will not come into picture. Let me show you this. Have you got 10 output here? It is not present because both the conditions are not getting fulfilled, and that is the requirement of AND operator. To the left of and to the right of and, both the conditions, if they are getting satisfied, then only you will get the output. Okay, but OR condition is not like AND condition. In OR condition, if any one condition is getting fulfilled, so the result will be fetched to you. Is this clear?
Yes.
No, not clear. Okay, see this example. So again, yes. I have executed the second query. Now you can see here 30 output is coming, right? The student B, he has scored 30 marks in chemistry. So from which condition this value is coming? 30?
First condition.
First condition, marks is greater than equal to 15, right? So here marks is greater than equal to 15, and we know that 30 is greater than equal to 15. So because of this condition, you got this value. But maybe you can cross question that, but Tanvir, here there's one more condition is there. The mark should be less than equal to 20. So 30 is not less than equal to 20. Then how this value is coming? So this is coming because here we are playing with the OR operator. And OR operator, the definition is even if any one condition is getting fulfilled, so it will fetch you the result. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Any question? I'm repeating. Any question? Please tell me.
No.
No. Okay. I will show you some more example on this because I think this is not clear to you guys. 1 minute. Let me show you some more example. And or this is very tricky, and these operators are used very frequently. Marks greater than 10. Okay, now this is the query. I'm executing this. Okay, so from this query, we are telling that fetch me the details where marks is greater than 10 or subject is equal to physics. Now, one question to you guys, please reply. Here, I have used OR operator. So both the conditions, if they are satisfied, then only you will get the output, or any condition will be satisfied, you will get the output.
Any condition.
Any condition.
Any condition is getting satisfied, you will get the output, right? Okay, let me execute this. Okay, so this is the output you have got. Okay, now tell me, here I have mentioned in the first condition the mark should be greater than 10. Now tell me, is this 10 greater than 10? No, this is not greater than 10. Then how you got this output? First record.
Second condition is satisfying.
Because second condition is getting satisfied, subject is equal to physics. So that is why you got this as an output, right? Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now what about this? Here I have mentioned that subject should be equal to physics, but this is subject chemistry. Why I got this output?
First
Mark
condition
is greater than.
Perfect, because the first condition is getting satisfied, mark greater than 10. So here marks is 15, and that is why this is the output. Hope this is clear now, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect, very good. Now next question. Same query, just I'm changing from or to and. Okay, and now I'm executing this. Is this fine?
Yeah.
If in on and operator, you know, both the conditions must be satisfied, then only you will get the result. So let's analyze the first record. Here the subject is physics. So, okay, fine. Second condition is getting satisfied. Marks 15. So marks should be greater than 10. So both the conditions are satisfied. Similarly, in the second record, both the conditions are satisfied. So in AND operator, you have to be very careful. And this will fetch you the data only when both the conditions are getting satisfied. In OR operator, if any one condition is getting satisfied, you will get the output. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm giving you two scenarios. Think and then tell me. Scenario 1. You're applying for, you're applying in an MNC. Applying in MNC for job you're applying here. Okay. Conditions are, what are the conditions? The first condition, you must be a graduate %, or greater than that, 60% or greater than. Okay. 60%. Must have scored 70% or greater in 10th and 12th. This is one scenario. Okay, in an MNC name is ABC Limited. Now then you have second scenario, scenario 2. You are applying here in XYZ Limited. You can see. Here again, the condition is you must be a graduate with 60% or greater than 60%. And the second condition is you must have scored 70% or greater in 10th or 12th. Okay, anyone. So that is fine. Okay, in 10th or 12th, anyone, that is fine. So in scenario 1 and scenario 2, first of all, in which scenario you will use AND operator? Scenario 1 or scenario 2? Am I audible, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me, in which scenario you will use AND operator, first of all?
First one, we will use AND operator.
First one, you will use AND operator. Why not in second one?
Second one, we are asking for 10th and 12th or. Okay.
Or condition, it means in any one, either 10th or 12th, if you have scored 70%, that is fine, we will hire you, correct? Okay, but if you see carefully, here you have two conditions. This first condition must be fulfilled and second condition also should be fulfilled, correct?
Yeah.
So here as well,
sorry, yeah.
So
This
here
two,
as well, you have to use AND operator. Okay, so now suppose if I write query for this will become select a star from, suppose this is the table ABC, where graduate should be greater than equal to 60 and 10th greater than equal to 70 and 12 greater than equal to 70. Okay, because in this the condition is you must be graduate with greater than 60, and in 10th you must have a score greater than 70, and in 12th you must have a score greater than 70, correct? Now if I will write the same query for the second scenario, okay, so here graduate should be greater than equal to 60, but here in the second condition you have given flexibility. What is that flexibility? You are telling that either you scored 70 in 10th or 12th. Okay, so this will be the query for second condition. Is this clear?
yes.
So in the second query, this will be the first condition, graduated. Okay, and then I have used AND, but in the second condition, within second condition, I have used OR. That okay, either you have scored greater than 70 in 10th or greater than 70 in 12th, both are fine for me. So here from this two example, I'm showing you the combination of AND and OR, how you have to use. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now, suppose this is the name of a student, graduate 10th, 12th. Okay, name of the student is A. He has scored 65 in graduation. 10th, he has scored 70. 12th, he has scored 70. Okay. Now, if I will execute this query, I will get this output. Come on, guys. Yes or no, please.
Yes.
Create table itself here. Create table. Date. Name. Character. Wait. Okay. This table. Where identifier. Name, where get to 10 graduate number, 10th number, 12th number.
Then why we can't use that?
Yeah, I will tell you. I think this is not taking the combination of that maybe, but it should take. I will check this here. This is new for me as well. But it should take it. I think the number, no, if you're using number, it will not take that number as a column. Or maybe I will try with unlist. Can I go?
Actually, we are starting with the number.
That is why I think, yeah. Table is created. Insert into candidate values. Suppose the first candidate name is A, and the graduate here is 65. Here is 70, and 80. This is the first record. Second record, he has scored 55. This is second record. Record. Okay. Three conditions I have created here. Okay, three records I have created. Now select a star from candidate where graduate. Suppose the first condition if I have to fulfill, so graduate as per the first condition, that should be greater than equal to 60, and in 10th should be greater than equal to 70, and in 12th greater than equal to 70. Okay, now let me execute this. So A has scored. So A is the only one who fulfills the conditions of scenario 1, because he has scored greater than 16 graduate, 10, 70, and 12 greater than 70. Correct? Now, if I'll go with the second scenario. Like this. See, now here two candidate name is coming because they are fulfilling either of the two conditions. Now let's analyze the first one. Here the requirement was greater than equal to 60. So this is graduate 65. That's fine. First requirement is fulfilled. And sorry, and 10th greater than equal to 70 or 12th greater than equal to 70. So here in 10th he has got 70, 12th has got 80. So this is fine. Well, all the conditions are fulfilled. Okay, what about the second one? Graduate greater than 60, this is fine, he has scored 70, and condition 10th is greater than equal to 70. Okay, this is greater than equal to 70, or 12th is greater than equal to 70, but in 12th he has got only 60. Correct? Then how he got this output?
Because the out condition is there.
Because inside this you can see there is an or condition. Okay, and 10th, this condition is getting fulfilled. 10th is greater than equal to 70. So he has got greater than equal to 70. Within this second condition is getting fulfilled or not, that is not a problem. So this condition is fulfilled, and here this condition is fulfilled. So you got both the conditions fulfilled. That is why I got this as an output. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes.
Any question? Prasad, Dhani has any question?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hope this is clear then. Fine. Now suppose take this example that marks greater than equal to 15 and marks less than equal to 20. So for this we have a shortcut. Okay, keyword, and that is known as between. Same requirement if I want to give the marks greater than equal to 15 and marks is less than equal to 20. So for this condition you can write marks between 15 and 20. That's all. So from this, the SQL engine will understand that the user wants the details of those students who has scored marks between 15 and 20. Let me run this. Okay. Now you can see from the output, all the outputs are from 15 and 20 only. So from this, I'm trying to make you understand the use of this between operator. So from between operator, it is like you will get the details between the particular numbers. Okay. Now, is it touching the boundary values?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
It's touching the boundary values, right? 15 is also
Yes.
included, correct? And
20.
20 is also included. So this is again a very common interview questions. They will ask you that between is an inclusive operator or exclusive operator. So from this, they are asking that, do you think that between will include the boundary values as well, or it will not consider? So here we have seen that it is considering the boundary value as well. So that is why we can say that between is an inclusive operator. Any question on this, guys? Is it clear? And or between, is it clear?
suppose Tanvir, is there any way like we have a range function in Python, right?
Which function?
Range function in Python,
Range, right?
right? Yeah, here we are looking from 15 to 20. Is there any way that we can hop with the particular difference, like multiple of 3 between 15 or 21, or between
Oh,
15
okay,
to
okay.
30,
Multiple of 3 between 15 and 20. Oh, okay, okay.
20
So
and
you
30? Yeah, anything. So I need a roll number which is
got it.
like
Got it.
multiple of 3 between this range to this range.
I
So in
got it.
Python we can use range,
Range
right?
function
Range
is there. So
operator.
here, what is
Uh,
the alternative for that? Correct. Okay. Let me show you that. Good question here. Let me tell you that. So suppose I'm increasing the range here between 15 and 30. This is the first condition that, okay, I want the details of a student who has scored marks between 15 and 30. And this is the output. Okay, this is correct between 15 and 30. This is the output. But now the condition is, okay, this is fine. You have shown me the output between 15 and 30, and this is coming correctly. Correct. You all are convinced this is the correct output if I want between 15 and 30. But now that one more condition is that no. In this, I want only those marks who are divisible by 3. I want to implement two conditions. The first condition is, please fetch me the details of a student who has scored marks between 15 and 30. This is the first condition. Now the second condition is, in that between 15 and 30, show me the details of marks which is divisible by 3. Okay, so two conditions. That is the question, Pritesh, you are asking.
yeah.
Okay, so hope this question is clear to everyone. So here we have two conditions. So what we can do, this is the first condition. Now in this we can add one more condition, and the marks, you have mod operator. I'm not sure if I have taught you this or not. Marks comma 3 should be equal to 0. Let me run this. Okay, so now you can see all these numbers are divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 3, 30 is divisible by 3, 15 is also divisible by 3. So like this, you can implement the conditions. But Pritesh, if you're asking from the Python range perspective, that here there you can split the range and all those things. So that happened there because we are playing there with that control statement. You can use that range in for conditions, and again that you can loop it, right? But SQL is sorry.
Yes, yes.
But SQL is having that limitation of looping. Okay. And that is why your PL SQL concept came into picture. That will give you the freedom of looping and all those things. So of course, I agree. We will not having that much flexibility of looping here as compared to the control statement of Python, C, Java, any other language. Okay. But of course, you can implement many of the conditions through this. Like I have shown you this, that you can implement this one. Hope this is clear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I have told you mod, so let me explain this mod first of all. I thought of explaining you distinct and having. So before that, let me explain you mod. So what this mod will do, so this mod is like you are telling SQL engine that please divide marks by 3. I have written marks comma 3 no. So meaning of this mod marks comma 3 is you are telling to SQL engine that please divide this marks by 3. Okay. And if the remainder is 0, okay, mod marks comma 3 is equal to 0. It means if the remainder is 0, then only show me the result. Let me show you something here. Name, subject, marks, comma, mod, marks, sorry, marks, comma, 3. Let's try to understand the simple case of mod. Then I will come to this part. Okay. First of all, let's understand what the mod is all about. Okay, fine. So here you can see name, subjects, marks have written mod marks comma 3. So from this, what I am telling that please divide marks by 3 and show me the remainder. So this is the meaning of mod marks comma 3. Please divide marks by 3 and show me the remainder. So here if you see, if this 10 is divided by 3, what should be the remainder, guys? 1, correct. 15 divided by 3, remainder is 0. 20 divided by 3, remainder is 2. Like this, you can verify any of this output. So this is the meaning of mod marks comma 3. You can use this with anyone else. Mod marks comma 2. Suppose you want to divide by 2. You want to check even an odd number. Okay, and this is again a very common interview question that, okay, fetch me the details where the roll number is even number, where the roll number is odd number. So you can use this mod with there as well. Okay, let me run this. Mod marks comma 2. So this is the output. So now who will tell me that why 0 is coming here?
Actually, it is divisible by 10 is divisible by 2, so there is no remainder left out.
Perfect. I have written here mod marks comma 2. So I am telling that please divide marks by 2 and show me the remainder. So here marks is 10. So if 10 is divided by 2, so there will be no remainders. That is why remainder is 0. 15. 15 divided by 2, you will be having one remainder. That's why remainder is coming here as 1. So hope this is clear, the concept of mod.
Yes.
Okay. Now, any question, guys, please tell me yes or no. Do you have any question you understood or not? Everyone, Dania, Prasad, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, perfect. Now, suppose in the same question. 1 minute, guys. Name. Student. Suppose in the same question, the requirement is you are facing an interview and the requirement is that, okay, show me the details of those students whose marks is an even number. Whose marks is an even number. I don't want all the student details. I just want those student details whose marks is an even number. So here what you will do? Tell me. Who will tell me?
Mod.
Where mod?
Of mod of marks. Comma 2.
Comma 2.
Equal to 0.
Equal to 0. Very good. Perfect. Where mod marks comma 2 equal to 0, it means you are telling remainder should be 0. And we know that if any number is divisible by 2, if it is even, then only remainder will be 0. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, you got all the even numbers 10, 20, 30, 10 like that. Okay, if the same question someone is asking that, no, I want the marks details which is odd. So replace this 0 by 1 and you will get all the odd numbers. Okay, you have all the odd numbers here. Hope this is clear, guys.
Then can we remove equal to 1 that so that it can calculate the truthy value or falsy value?
You want me to remove this?
Yeah, it is possible. I didn't check.
No,
it is possible now.
This is not possible because in where condition this will throw error message, because in where condition you have to tell something. No, what you want this to be equal to what? That you have to mention in where condition. If you want, you can keep this in select clause. That's not an issue. But in where condition, you have to write that this is equal to what condition you want to fulfill. Correct? Okay. So if I will execute, this will throw error message because this condition is not fulfilled. Invalid relational operator. Because after where you should tell that this should be equal to what. So SQL is getting confused with this condition. Filter condition is not complete. Okay. Any question, guys? Okay. Similarly, I have told you this in regard with marks. So if you're getting question that, okay, you have a student table ID, name and details are there, to fetch me the details of those students whose ID is an even number. So what you will do, mod of ID comma 2, just replace marks with ID. Okay. Is this clear? Shall I proceed with the next topic?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Marks between I have told and having and duplicate is there. Okay, fine. Have I covered duplicate?
No.
No. Okay. Let's try to understand duplicate first of all. You have a student table, ID, name, and subject are three. ID, name, and subject. Remove this. Okay, keep this ID. That's fine. Name, subject, ID, name, subject, branch. Take branch as well. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Name is A, B, C, A, B. Subject is physics, history, maths, history. Okay. 1, 2, physics. Branch is AC. This is CS. This is AC. A chemistry. This is AC. The physics. This is CS. A physics. This is CS. Then 2 chemistry. This is AC. Fine. Yeah. This is the table. Okay. Now try to understand what is distinct and duplicate first of all. Okay, distinct, duplicate. Okay, comment picture here. Fine. Okay, so in this table, if I will ask you that, okay, tell me the duplicate records. So what will be the output, guys? In this table, tell me the duplicate records. Do you have any duplicate record here? Yes or no? Come on, who will tell me?
If considered all the fields, then there is no duplicate.
Okay, very good. Okay, fine, perfect. So whenever someone is asking you the question that, okay, tell me to duplicate in this table. So the first question should be, on which column you want me to check duplicate? Do you want me to check on ID? So if I will check on ID, so yes, we have duplicates. 1 is coming thrice, so this is duplicate. 2 is coming thrice, so this is duplicate. 3 is coming once, so this is not duplicate. Is this clear? If I'm asking you to tell me the duplicates based on name, so yeah, we have duplicates. A is coming thrice, this is duplicate. B is coming thrice, this is duplicate. Similarly, on subject, we have duplicates. On branch, we have duplicates. Correct? So first of all, you have to understand, you have to ask question that on which column you're asking duplicates. Okay? Now, if I will tell you that combination of name and subject, what all are duplicate records? Come on, tell me. Which one is duplicate here?
A and B.
A and B. No, this is a combination.
A and physics.
A and physics. Correct. This is duplicate because this is coming 2 times, right? This is duplicate. Now, apart from this, do you have any other record? Sorry. B chemistry. B chemistry. This is also duplicate. Use some other color. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Okay. So when someone is asking you duplicate, you should understand, first of all, the question is on which column. If that is on 1 column or 2 column or 3 column, so like that you have to ask. Okay, this is first scenario. Based on name and subject, you have told me the duplicates. Okay, now second scenario. Tell me the duplicates based on name, subject, and branch. Tell me what all duplicates are there based on name, subject, and branch. Who will tell me? Come on, guys. Are you guys thinking or not?
Yes.
Now I have sorted this. Now tell me. Name and subject and branch. Which one is a duplicate record?
There is no duplicate.
There is no duplicate. Perfect. No duplicate records are there. A chemistry EC. Do you have any other record with A chemistry EC? No. A physics CS. No other records. This is A physics EC. A physics CS and this is A physics EC. So they both are different. Correct? So similarly,
Yes.
B chemistry CS. Do you have any other record with B chemistry CS?
No.
No. This is B chemistry EC. So these two are totally different. That is why if I will ask you that, okay, tell me the duplicates based on name, subject, and branch. So the answer is we don't have any duplicate records here. So first of all, you understood the meaning of the duplicate, how you have to find it out. So first of all, you have to ask the question that on which column you are asking. That is why in the very beginning, when I started this duplicate, I asked you that tell me the duplicate in this table. I have not mentioned the column on which I am asking. So I think Dania has told that depends on the column, correct? So that's the answer. So whenever someone is asking you to duplicate, so you have to ask the question on which column you want the duplicates. Is this clear?
Yes.
Any question on this, guys?
No.
No question. Okay. Now coming to the SQL part of this. Take the same example. This only. Okay. So here. We will write distinct name from student. What all are the outputs?
All the names.
Only BCAD is coming, right? Only 4 values coming. Why only 4 is coming? But here we have many records, no? Where we have 4 into 3, 12 records. But here when I have used distinct name, only 4 records are coming. Why?
Distinct.
Because I have used distinct. So this is the use of distinct keyword. This will show you only the distinct name, correct? Okay. Name, comma, subject from student. So from this, I am telling that combination of name and subject should be distinct, okay? So here you can see that all the records which are distinct are fetched here, okay? Now here, if I will tell you that, no, okay, I want the name to be sorted in ascending order, what I have to do here?
Order by name.
Order by name. Very good. Now order by name. Execute this. All these names are sorted, correct? But if there is same name, I want the subject to be sorted in ascending order as well. What I have to do here? If the name is same, I want subject also to be sorted in ascending order. Name, comma, subject. I think we have discussed all these things, right?
Yeah.
You can write name, comma, subject. So name, if the name is same, then based on the subject, it will sort it. Okay, now you can see chemistry is coming first, then math, and then physics. For all this, for B, chemistry is first, then math and physics. Because this, if the name is same, the subject is getting sorted in ascending order. Okay, now. Okay, now. And this, if someone is telling me that, okay, tell me the duplicate records in this table. How many duplicate name are there in this table? How you can tell? Suppose in this record, if I will tell you that, okay, tell me the name which is duplicate. So what should be your answer, guys? In this data, duplicate name. What all names are coming more than once?
All names.
All. A is coming more than once. So A is duplicate. B is coming more than once. B is duplicate. C is also duplicate. D is also duplicate, right? So A, B, C, D, they all are duplicate because they are coming more than once. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, now, so this is just 12 records, so you can see and you can tell me. But what if you have millions of records? So what you have to do in that case? Okay, so that is what you have to understand here. So for that, you have to write select name and then count of a star from a student. Group by name. So if I will execute this query, first of all, concentrate on the output, then I will tell you what this query is doing here. Now, if you see the output, tell me what is happening here. Just look at the output and tell me what I'm showing you here.
It's counting the number of occurrence of each name.
Perfect. It is counting the number of occurrence of each name. So B3 is mentioned here. It means B is coming 3 times in this student table. Similarly, C is coming 3 times, A is coming 3 times, and D is coming 3 times. Is this clear? So if I written name, comma, count of a star, this is the use of this. It will tell you that how many times this name is repeated in this particular table. Now, this might be a new thing for you. Why Tanvi you have written group by name? So this is a syntax. This is a rule. Whenever you are using count of a star and any column name, whenever you're using count of a star and any column name, so you must have to write that column name after group by. I will tell you the reason for this, why this is happening, but as of now, just assume that this is a syntax and you have to go with this. Whenever with count of a star you're using any column name, so the same name should be used after group by. Otherwise, this will throw error message. Let me run this one. I'm excluding that group by. Let me show you what is happening here. Not a single group function. You're getting error message. So that is why whenever you're using count of a star in any column name, that should be written after group by. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Not sure if this is clear or not. Let me show you one example. Only Pritesh, this is clear. Okay. Now I'm writing subject. Okay. So, okay. So in count of a star, how many columns I have used? Name and subject, 2 columns. So both the columns must be written after group by. Okay. Now I'm executing this and you tell me, do the analysis with the output and tell me what is happening here. What is happening here, guys? B physics, only 1. Why it is showing 1 here?
Combination of these two.
Perfect. Here now it will look into the combination of name and subject. So here B physics. How many times B and physics is coming? Let's have a look here. B physics is coming only once. After that B chemistry is there. After that B math is there. So B physics is coming only once. Similarly, D chemistry is coming only once. So this is the use of this count of a star with the column name. If you're writing 2 column names and count of a star, it will give you that how many times this combination is coming in this particular student table. Is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
Tanvi, one question here. The order of the group by the name after subject is also matter here.
Order of no, that will not matter. I will change this. I will change this. Good question here. I will change this. That will not matter. That will matter only in order by. See. Okay, you got the same output?
Yes.
Is this clear? So that doesn't matter. But if you're using order by, this sequence matters there a lot. But in group by, that doesn't matter. The only condition is in count of a star, what all columns you have used, same column you have to just copy from here and paste it here. That's all. Hope this is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. It's 8:02. If you guys permit me for 2 more minutes, is that fine or shall I stop here?
Yes, fine.
It's fine.
Okay. Okay, fine, perfect. So suppose if I'm writing here subject, select subject, count of a star from a student, group by name. So what will happen if I will execute this query?
Error.
Error, why?
The group by column is not mentioned.
Perfect. So here in group by, I have written a column, but this column is not present in count of a star. This is subject. So same thing, just copy Control C and here Control V. Same column must be present. Okay. So from this query, what I'm trying to fetch?
Subject counts.
Yeah. Occurrence of each and every subject, that how many times each and every subject is present in this student table. Okay. Okay, physics is 4 times, math is 4 times, chemistry is coming 4 times. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Okay, so you understood the combination, that if someone will ask you that, okay, tell me how many times this particular column value is getting repeated. So just write that column name and then count of a star. That's all. Okay, now let me tell you how to find. Okay, before moving to duplicates, any question on this?
No.
No question. Okay.
Tanvir,
Yeah.
inside count, we should not mention multiple columns, right? Only one column we can mention. So that's the purpose.
Inside count you are telling, right?
Yeah.
Inside count, you have to mention only one column. Multiple columns you should not mention. Only one argument it will take.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Let me add a few more records here. Intentionally, I am adding one record F. Okay. SQL command not properly ended. Why this is? They should not throw this error message. Inserted. Okay, now F is there in that, and now I'm executing this name. Okay, and some output will come. Tell me. Okay, this is the output. Why F1 is present in front of F?
This is occurring.
Because you have seen that F, I have inserted only one record with the name F. That is why 1 is coming in front of F. Is this clear? You can see here I've inserted a record with F, and this is coming only once. Correct? Now here, suppose if the question is, can I tell that F is duplicate here?
No.
Is this duplicate? F is not duplicate. So now the question is that Tanvir, show me that or all the duplicate name in this table. So what you have to write? So first of all, you have to write this query, and then you have to write having count of a star greater than 1. So this is the condition you have to write, that where count of a star is greater than 1, those are the duplicates. Correct? No? If this count of a star is greater than, then only you will consider that it is a duplicate. Correct? So whenever you have to find duplicates, you have to write count of a star greater than 1, and you have to write this having. I will tell you what is the use of this having, but just remember for the time being, you have to write having count of a star greater than 1. Why I have used count of a star greater than 1? Why this is greater than 1?
To find the duplicates.
Duplicates, because what's the meaning of duplicate? Duplicate means something is coming in more than once, then you will count it as a duplicate. Correct? So you have to just write having count of a star greater than 1. So those are the duplicates. Now let me execute this. Okay, this is the output. Why F is not coming here? Because F was not duplicate, right? F was coming only once.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Sorry, I hope I'm audible. Sorry.
You are audible. Yeah, please tell me, Pritish.
Yeah, you were using having clause before group by name.
That is fine. That is fine.
Okay.
I understood what you're asking. You can use in that way as well. I will show you that as well. You're telling to take this after, no? So in Microsoft SQL Server, this will throw error message, but in Oracle, this will not throw error message. Okay, let me show you in this way as well. They both are one and the same. Okay, you got the same output?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So guys, do one thing. So let's stop here because it's 8:07 and maybe you guys will be getting late. You have your official task as well. But we will continue from this. Okay, same thing we will continue tomorrow. So please revise this and then we'll discuss on top of this duplicates and what is this having and many other things will come down the line. Okay, fine then. A final call. Any question on this or in general? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
one question, Tanvir.
Hmm.
When we use the group by with the set of the column names, so it will consider the whole column as a single, the set of the columns as a single columns, and then only it will do the group by, or it will take one by one column, it will do
No,
group
no,
by.
no, 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 no. Suppose if you
Okay.
are right, suppose here I have used two columns in group by, correct? I've used two columns in group by. So this will take the combination of this. This will not take this as an individual. This will take the combination of this. Okay, I will show you tomorrow with the example that what is the use of this group by and why this is necessary if you're using count of a star. But to answer your question for the time being, so SQL engine will consider the combination of this. If you have four columns in group by, it will take the combination of this and then it will give you the count, not on individual.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought individually one by one it will be
No,
considered.
no, no,
It
no.
will be-
That doesn't take individual. Tomorrow I will show you some manual in Excel sheet. So automatically you will understand that it cannot take individual. That will make some different sense actually. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine then. Guys, let's connect tomorrow at the same time. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Bye.